Hello folks, thanks for tuning in. Today I want to show you my version of a PTT grip for a Heil headset adapter. All you need is a switch, a 6.5mm mono jack, my 3D printed parts and a piece of cable. And of course, if you're using a Heil headset, you need the headset microphone adapter. This one's for an ICOM radio. This is a very easy and simple design. It's just some kind of barrel with some rounded edges here on top and also here on the bottom. There's a hole for the cable and this side is for the switch. And yeah, this was an idea I had recently and it took only under 5 minutes to design it. It's very easy, very simple, and also very fast to print. If you have a proper 3D printer, this is done in about 30 minutes or so. I have printed this from ASA because with ASA you can rework it if you need a bigger hole, for example. It's very easy to work with. Okay, then let's assemble it. This is also very easy and very quick done. Just route everything through this barrel and now I will solder the PTT switch to the cable. And then let's push the button into the barrel. This is very hard to do and you need a little bit of force. Yeah, okay, this was a very tight fit, but finally it worked. I need to make this hole a little bit wider. And yeah, for strain relief, I tie a little knot. And finally, I can put the bottom section in. To hold it in place, I will use a little bit of hot glue. On my first attempt, I tried to print an M12 thread here on the outside and also on the inside. Yeah, but this doesn't work very well, so I thought it's a better idea to just slide it in and glue it in place. That's much easier. I will readjust this so then you don't need any glue. You just slide it in place. Yeah, this works fine. This stays in place. That's perfect. And with the strain relief, this is also working. Then let's see if we have a contact here. Here we go. And this is how it looks like when I'm out operating. This one goes to the radio. Microphone is plugged in here. This is the headphone jack. Here is the PTT. Here is the PTT grip or handle. And yeah, smartphone with Polo in my left hand. Yeah, I easily can push the PTT with my thumb and with my index finger I type on my smartphone. Echo Alpha 1, Bravo, United, Lima, for example, and enter. Golf 0, oops, come on, Golf 0, Romeo, Quebec, Lima, and enter. You get the idea. That's it for today, folks. Thanks for watching and stay tuned. 7-3. Bye-bye.